So this thing's together. I've fastened the bell crank on here. It's on a sleeve, on a sleeve that I can slide up and down this shaft. I wasn't quite sure how I was going to do this. I wanted it to be adjustable. I want to be able to use this for all kinds of operations. So it'd be nice to have it, you know, different lengths and be able to slide this back and forth and put different plates and adapters here. But for now, I think it's too big. It doesn't fit in here very well. It's going to be a bit of a challenge getting this motor in anyway. But this is all just too big. So I'm gonna cut this off and weld this directly to it to get rid of all this height. And then if I ever need a new one, I have to make a new one, or weld something to this one or something. But I think for now, I'm just going to make it fit as best I can. It turns out this thing is a lot bigger than I was hoping it would be, and it's a fairly tight space in here. So from the other side, so the channel, the steel tube is going to go in here. And I was hoping this would fit down between this frame, but it doesn't. So I think what I have to do is somehow still put the steel frame in here, because I need it for the strength between these two pieces to hold it really sturdy for you know, to really get some torque into steering. So I'm going to have to find a way to fasten this in on top of here somehow. It'll just be a matter of building it up with something, but I have to figure that out. See what I have for metal. And then once this is mounted, I can start putting the front end back together. Right now it's all apart, because the front suspension is very worn out. So I'm going to go to a place tomorrow and see if I can get either ball joints for it, or maybe even new A-frames. I think it depends on the you know, on the manufacturer. But there's a Chinese ATV place up on the highway. I'm going to go check that out. See if I can get some suspension parts, make it all back to fresh and new again. And then we'll get the steering installed and get the motor fastened in. And then we can make it